It is windy today. Very, very windy. It feels great. And the ground is pretty soft from the last night's rain. So this camera and lens adds another 3 pounds. So I'm trying to be careful with the weight that I carry, but I'm carrying about 20 something pounds, about 22 pounds extra with the backpack, the water. Get up there. Place to go. Have a storm. I think that's coming towards us. A little bit of rain. I don't mind the rain too much. Woo! It is windy though. Nice rain shower on the freckles right now. Usually this trail is hot, dry, and blue skies during the day. So it's pretty to see it like this today. These are the days you got to get out, especially. Comes the showers. Whew. Oh, there's more. Pretty much showers all around us. I think we're gonna get wet pretty soon. We'll see. How you feel, Cara? Are you good? I'm good. Let's go. A lot of little wekos on these rocks with water in them. Great water source for all animals. There's another biker. Do you pay attention with your head up? Looks like the rain is passing, but here's kind of light. This is just a scooper, and I like this. Instead of carrying one of these that fold out, that doesn't have a hinge on it, I'm getting one of these. This is just a scooper I like to use, a dog food scooper, and I can bring my water bladder here. Squeeze it out, fill it up, give her some water. Well, Mother Nature has decided to totally wash us out, so we're gonna head back because it's raining pretty hard and I'm starting to get really wet. I don't want my gear to get too wet. So we're gonna head back and do a 3-mile hike today instead of about a 4 or 5. To be continued. on a better day. It's nice and clear. If the weather is not raining. We have another. That's coming right for us. I think we'll make it back in time. Maybe. If not, that's okay. We won't get hypothermia. Oh, my fingers are cold. I'll take this over 102 any day. She really wants to get back. I think the wind and the rain excites her a little more. I'm not a dog psychologist, but she has had this pep in her step the whole way. All the way up and all the way down. I'm trying to match it without falling down. That's coming right for us. Well, we got hit with a pretty good douse of rain. We actually jogged the rest of the way. And then, of course, as soon as we get to the end, the rain stops. So it's good though. What a good day. I gotta say, it was a good day.